Alright, so this just happened. Baykar took 10 of its K2 Kamikaze drones, put them in the air together, and let them fly as a single autonomous swarm. No pilots, no manual control, just AI. Let's talk about what this thing actually is. The K2 has a maximum takeoff weight of 800 kilograms, and it carries a 200 kilogram warhead. That's massive for a kamikaze drone. Its range goes beyond 2,000 kilometers, it cruises past 200 kilometers per hour, and it can stay in the air for more than 13 hours straight. And here's the part that really matters. It doesn't need GPS. The K2 uses AI-powered visual navigation, scanning the terrain below to figure out exactly where it is, even in a fully jammed, GPS-denied environment. So when 10 of these fly together, forming line, echelon, and V-shaped formations on their own, each drone is calculating its position relative to the others in real time, with zero human input. This isn't just a drone anymore. It's a coordinated, AI-driven strike swarm, built to overwhelm air defenses at a fraction of the cost of a cruise missile. Turkey just showed the world what autonomous warfare looks like. This is MMC Defense. If this blew your mind, subscribe, because this is only the beginning.